Transferring money from your Cash App to your debit card is a straightforward process. To begin, you're going to open the Cash App on your phone and navigate to the main screen. On the top left or center, you're going to see your balance displayed. Tap on this balance to access your Cash App wallet. Once you're in your wallet, look for the Cash Out option, which allows you to withdraw funds. All right, now, next, decide how much money you want to transfer to your debit card. After entering the desired amount, you will be prompted to choose a transfer speed. Cash App offers two options: a standard transfer, which is free and takes 1 to 3 business days, and an instant transfer, which comes with a small fee but delivers the funds right away. Choose the transfer speed that best suits your needs. All right? If you haven't linked your debit card to your Cash App yet, you will be asked to add it. To do this, go to the banking section and select Add Debit Card, then follow the on-screen instructions to enter your card details. Now, once you've completed the steps, confirm your transaction and your money will be transferred. The time that it takes to complete the process, it really depends on the transfer speed that you selected. All right, let me know if this helped.